Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how I can fix Nvidia Container high CPU usage in Windows 10 or 11. So it is pretty simple and easy to use. Just go to the search, type services, and you will see that this window pops up. What you will need to do is click on N right here. So you will see Nvidia Container, display and frame view and local system. Just double click on Nvidia display container. Make sure startup type is on automatic, as you can see, and make sure it is running. Okay, then go to the frame view, make sure it is on automatic, click start. So your service status is running now, click OK, and on the local system, make sure it is on automatic and make sure it is service status running. Click OK, and now what you'll need to do is just restart your computer, and that your problem should be fixed. Just restart your computer, and that's it.